Welcome everybody, welcome people for this thing, on this vlog, on this. Welcome back to the channel. Yo, why? Me not telling lie. Me heart feel away. Yes. Colaz Smith. Colaz Smith, boy, I tell you, say, if you watch this video or if you see this video, I tell you, me feel it. Feel, because me go through the same thing what y'all go through right now. Yeah, man, the same thing. Brother, me don't know how you feel, but me know how it feel. And remember, them do the same thing to the lady when name is Dana. Yeah, man, them do the same thing to that lady there. However, what we really want to talk about is something when me say that is very troubling. Yes, I think it is very troubling. The vloggers. Yeah, that me want to talk about. That part me want to talk about. Then we go in at the nitty gritty. When me start to, when me say color, do send out a text message, it's like a little message in post. Me say, wow, me never know say it a go come right now, but me know say it a go come. But me say, man, I wonder what go on in it. And me turn to my lady and me say to my lady, say, there's a problem in a color camp. And she said, oh, you know that. And me say, you see the message where color does, right? That not a normal message. And me go tell you what me say. Me say, I believe the problem is, listen good enough, the problem is between Grungad and Sax. And that me say. Me say to her, say me think the problem are between Grungad and Sax. And the reason make me put Grungad and Sax in it, me that say to myself, say, when the hurricane and Grungad, me watch a Grungad video, and Grungad go over Sax. When Grungad I say, me I say to myself, say, I wonder why you say that. But you know, me leave it there, sir. But when me realize, boom, me see a vlogger, me not call nobody name, you know. See a vlogger come up and start say things are going on in the camp and all kind of something. And me sit down and me I say, I hope nobody now go mash up the thing, because I think I go on good. And brother, to only to know, when me say color, me not telling a lie, me feel it for him. Me feel it for him. But after me see color video, me go pan youth and a search and a look and a see what I go on, you know. But me see a specific blogger. See a specific blogger I talk about color, and it's like him did a wait for say this happened to color. Yeah man, me think it look like him did a wait for something like this happen to color. In a 4 video me seen though. Yeah man, 4 video me seen though. I remember they say Rasta have a mix up in a bangarang. A 4 video me seen though. And none of the topic them is any topic of good towards color. Him topic about how color use people and all of them things. Now, the real information never come out yet. Yeah, because you only can get the real information from all of the team. You only pick one side, but that's a problem with picking side in a something you don't know nothing about. Now, Papi come out and set it straight. Meanwhile, Unwa chastise the man. Nick never say how he come by the phone him have. Yeah, Nick never, the same phone when Nick have the woman pan, a show to everybody and ask Colaz, who is this woman? That same phone was bought by Colaz. Now you see what I talk about. Now go back over to Kanta. Kanta say Colaz buy him 2 phones. And if you go and listen to Kanta video and listen to Papi video, you will learn a lot of things about the item. Kanta say a Colaz make them reach where them reach. A Colaz do everything for them. Colaz make him know airport. Colaz make him fly upon a plane. Now vloggers, me know say I saw the business go. Watch time and all them things make money. But remember, you have to think about a man's life. Yeah, you have to think about a man's life because see there, how much video they say Colaz cheat, Colaz do this, and all kind of something Colaz do. When all it is was makeup. Colaz go out and set it straight. Then hold on. See the worst part of it, you know. Apologize. Now cuss not bring nothing good. But now you come apologize. And to all of the people them where a bash Colaz. To all of them where a bash Colaz. Let me ask you this. Your boss pay you. And your boss come look for you. Figure make you make more money. And your boss and your man kick off. And you not even get up. And say to your man, take it easy man, take it easy man. We'll talk about this. We could talk about this in a better situation. You sit down and allow your man for you to talk to your boss where pay you. Where build a house for you. Hey, let me say this. People love the mix-up. People like the mix-up. But everybody supposed to at least think about the man kids them and the man family. Because it never did have to reach where it reach. Yeah, it never have to reach where it reach. The altercation between him and Nick could have stopped right where it stopped. But no. As me not call Nick no name, because I don't know Nick. I mean I like to call people name. But if you watch Nick, listen to Nick. Even when Nick depend ground God live, how Nick attack to ground God people. It's sad. Now ground God, your time. The people them from America up here so where me live. Where I send you clothes, send you things. Go up on your page, go like your page, comment, like, share so that you can make money. You cuss we off. Yeah, you cuss we off. You say we live on welfare. You say all we up here we live on welfare and we don't have you cuss we off. It's a shame. Yeah man, it's a shame for you listen to you. Me listen to you now. All y'all cuss off, people are foreign, y'all cuss off your subscribers, you are cuss off your followers. Yeah, me still listen. You know, come on, hear what you are say. And make me tell you something. Remember, uno say, you not get paid. You wasn't getting paid. But you said, you first start get paid in July. But uno say, uno not get paid. Remember, you have to listen to what you are talk and understand what you are say. But me not telling a lie. All of uno need to go listen to Papi video and Kanta video. Listen to them two youth there. Listen to them two youth there. Right now, me not telling a lie. Me not listen to Climber video yet. Me not listen to Climber video yet, cause you know why me not listen to Climber video? Me never know say Climber is not Colaz son. Me never know say I take Climber as him kid. Because Climber either got through all kind of things. But you know, so when me listen to that story they say, and the man say Climber and him son, him just taking Climber from Climber young and little bit. And the way how me see Climber operate around Colaz, me respect him. Yeah, me respect him. So to be honest, me no watch Climber video yet. And I go be honest with you, me no know if me want to see it. Yeah, me no know if me want to see it because when me watch Papi video, I me look and see where Papi, I say, hey, the people I mash up something good. And remember, Vincey, big up yourself over St. Vincent there. Remember, me I watch Vincey live. And Vincey say, when Colaz go to the church, the pastor said something to Colaz and Colaz was surprised. Watch the video. Uno go watch the video. Cause me make sure I watch the video then before me open my mouth and say nothing. Me not jump on nothing cause me I look now, click. But what me think, the vloggers them, we're out there, we are beat down the brother and post all kind of things about the brother. You know, stop it, man. It is not fear higher for you to do the man like how you do him. Just because I hit a trend right here now. Yeah, man, just because him a trend right here now. When him do all of the good things, not one of you reach out to him and say, make we team up and work together. None of you not do it. Big up. Big up. Oliver Lifestyle. Oliver Lifestyle, you are the only man. Mark, you know, more people out there may say good things about him, but you are the only man me see when me watch. We pick sense out of nonsense and talk about the right thing and talk about which part you see wrong, from which part you see right, from where you would have done. Because you say, Oliver TV Lifestyle, you say you wouldn't give that house to that lady, ground God. And me, I'll tell you this. Me back you a million %. I wouldn't give that girl that house. No, sir. Make she go on about her business. Me never either give her that house. Me just go tell her, say, thank you very much for your time. Enough respect. That's it. Me not cut ties. Me not give her that. But knowing who Colaz is, Colaz go give her the house. Yeah, Colaz go give her the house because of who Colaz is. Colaz is not a normal person. Yeah. He's God's child. And that's why he stay like how he stay. Yeah, that's why him stay like how him stay. He's the son. The son. He's a element of God, man. But to all of the vloggers them where I beat down the brother, just go back and watch the videos them. Watch from when them just a come up. And watch to where them reach now. And pick sense out of nonsense. When them never have nothing, nobody never da argue. Nobody never da argue when them not have nothing. Know that them have something is when them start argue. Come on, man. Think again, man. Think again. Take this. Ground God used to ask Colaz for money. Where was Nick? Nick wasn't around. And here where Papi say? Papi say, him say something to Nick about ground God. And Papi say, Nick say, me? No. Me couldn't. Me, no. So in other words is, Nick never want nobody to know say him a deal with ground God, which Colaz tell him the same thing. And see come out what ne? My thing about it is Colaz respect ground God and want to see ground God move up in a life. That is what Colaz want for ground God. Colaz no want to see ground God go back to which part she a come from. That's how me get out of it, you know. The man hurt, man. The man hurt for know say the person where she a look where him a look out for I do him like that. All because of another man attack in her ears. People are going to complain say Colaz tell her say not to go up on next people channel. Colaz may say that because Colaz know what them a do. You have to sit down and think about it first, you know. Who own the channel? Who build the channel? Who build up everybody? Hold on a little bit. This is what me don't know if none of you remember this part, but I witnessed Colaz buy a Joan and give to the other lady. I can't remember the other lady name. I never remember the other name, but the other lady have a kitchen, have a YouTube channel too. And Colaz buy her a Joan. Because Colaz have a art of, I never can tell her who have the art like what Colaz have. So, to be honest with you, it's sad if you know say Colaz in this situation. Yeah man, it really sad if you know say Colaz in this situation, and then you have vloggers who are beat him down, and the vloggers them are, some of the vloggers them come like them so glad that Colaz in this situation, cause it's like nobody no want to see you make money. Yeah, nobody don't want to see you make money. You start, you don't have nothing at all and nobody don't know you. But here when I said to Colaz and in team, the team who did it, the rest of the team who did it. As when me hear Cantor say this morning, the only time nobody not talk about you is when you're not doing nothing. But as soon as you start do something good, everybody start talk about you. So you when I say to the team, you when I say to Uno, me go continue follow Uno, me go continue support on the page, me go continue and me not stop. Me have my page too, but me have other things I do. But me not go stop follow Uno. So keep on doing that though. Oliver, lifestyle, manners and respect, my brother. Me don't know you, you don't know me, but manners and respect. Love your channel too. Anyway, peace and love. And you know what you do. Follow, like, share, subscribe. I will eat more will come. Now say a word. Peace. And I'm out. Respect.